Best coffee makers under 200 pounds. Number 1. KRUPS Simply Brew Compact Filter Drip Coffee Maker. Even though I'm not sponsored by KRUPS, I think some of their machines offer excellent value for money. With the authentic cappuccino exactly this happens, being one of the best coffee machines that can be bought for between $200 and $300. The KRUPS Simply Brew Filter Coffee Maker permits you to make scrumptious hot espresso in all straightforwardness. It has all the useful features and extras you need. Easy to fill top water tank, stop and serve framework, programmed keep warm capacity, basic simple to clean plan, on/off catch, and accompanies a 5-mug glass espresso pot and a perpetual espresso channel and espresso spoon. Ideal for 1 or 2, brews up to 5 cups of espresso/750 ml/25 liquid ounces. Helpful, allows you to pour some espresso while blending and naturally keeps your espresso warm. Number 2. OXO on Barista Brain 9-cup coffee maker. SCA certified. Uses showerhead for even water dispersal at the ideal temperature to replicate the pour-over method. Can make between 2 and 9 cups of coffee and has a 24-hour start timer. The water reservoir is not removable. It claims to be capable of single-cup servings, but they mean a single mug. Users have had issues with the clock. Number 3. Bun NHS Velocity Brew 10-cup home coffee brewer. Brews a full pot of coffee in around 3 minutes. Spreads hot water evenly over grounds with multi-stream spray showerhead. 3-year warranty. Glass carafe with a heated plate, which can lead to scorched coffee. High energy usage since it keeps water hot at all times. Not programmable. Number 4. Cuisinart DCC 1200 Brew Central 12-cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Thermal carafe that keeps coffee hot. Heats water to the ideal temperature recommended by the SCA for optimal flavor extraction. Simple programmable controls. One of the nice things about the DCC 1200 is that you can make between 1 and 12 cups of coffee at a time. There is also a self-clean function. Basically, a light pops on when the calcium buildup is interfering with the brewing process. You then add a 2-to-1 ratio of water to white vinegar to the reservoir and press the self-clean button. This unit is an Amazon's Choice coffee machine and has a 4.2-star rating, but there are complaints of seal failures and the plastic warping. Fortunately, it comes with a limited 3-year warranty. Number 5. Zojirushi ECYSC 100 Fresh Brew Plus Thermal Carafe Coffee Maker. There is a lot to love about the ECYSC 100. It has a removable water tank that's easy to clean and to fill. When you remove the carafe from the machine, it does not drip, though you need to return the carafe soon after or the basket will overflow. And, there's a cleaning light that tells you when to do the deed. This is another Amazon's Choice coffee machine with an average rating of 4.1. Those users who have not experienced the overflowing basket problem swear by their Zojirushi, instead of at it.